Okay, summer and fall is over, so the winter is coming, so it's time to continue. When I took the bike apart, I discovered an issue with the electrical wiring with the harness. That is, there was an alarm system fitted on the bike, integrated into the bike electrical wiring. It's a controller. There was a micro switch hidden behind the bike. Buzzer, alarm buzzer, and also it seems like it was integrated into the direction lights, blinking direction lights, and also some interconnections with the ignition switch. So I'll have to find the original drawings and check everything and see that everything is here, and I have to remove all the interconnections to the old alarm system. So I found some drawings on the net. They are not exactly the same, but they are close enough. I haven't found the correct drawings yet, but these are the closest I have for now. So I've checked almost everything now and it seems to be okay. Removed the old alarm system, and now I'm gonna clean everything, check the connectors, and tidy it up and start installing it on the bike.
Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough, yeah. I think that we've all had enough.
We got the rear light assembly from R&G. I'm gonna put it all together and get it installed on the bike. Most of the electrical is now in place, so everything is ready.
What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah. I think that we've all had enough.
I have degreased the engine and pressure washed it. I've removed all this loose paint and flaked off paint that was all over the engine. I have replaced the clutch rod seal and the gear changer seal. I've not been able to get this spacer off, so I've decided not to replace the drive shaft seal because I think I will do more damage by replacing it than just let it be as it is. I couldn't see any major leaks when I took the engine apart, so I think I will just leave it as is and replace it later if there is a leak there. I will deal with the problem later. So now I'm going to change the lube oil filter, and then I'm going to prepare it for some paint and get it fitted on the bike. I ordered a new seal. I did not order this seal. Probably a mistake, but well, it looks okay. I think I'm gonna just go with the old one. And the filter seems correct. Looks like the same. That's good.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack.
So the engine is ready. It's painted and it's ready to get bolted to the bike. Okay, so the engine is back on the bike. Struggling a bit to get it on, but now it's bolted on with a few bolts, so it's ready to put all the bolts correctly fitted with some Loctite, and so it looks okay, I think. Next project will be to disassembly and start cleaning the carburetor, and also get the front light on, and some electrical stuff, so I can start the motor. Maybe next week. So I just done a quick markup with the exhaust, see if it fits with the new exhaust, and it seems to fit okay. I have the temporary fit on the new Rask rear set adapter, and I think it will be okay. That's good. So I'm gonna wrap the exhaust. It will look okay, I think.